We're here today outside of Greensboro, North Carolina, to do a walkthrough of the Timberhill. So let's go. Hi, I'm Tommy Barfield. I'm a project manager for America's Home Place out of the Greensboro office. And we're here today to look at the floor plan of a Timberhill. First thing we see, of course, is the grand stairway that we come into. It'll be completely finished with hardwood tops. As we walk into the front door, you'll see that you have full-size living area, standard fireplace. Of course, they'll have the marble surround with the wood around it, which will look nice. I did want to point out though that all the windows and doors are completely sealed with foam, so it cuts down all your draft coming into your home. This customer added a small mud room, which is not normally on this plan. Have that extra area for storage and taking shoes off. You have a full-size dining area, large enough for a regular 6-person table with no problem there. We have the kitchen to the left, full-size island, stainless steel undermount sink inside the island. They also have the dishwasher inside of that to give them more counter space over here so they have more prep area. Let's move on into the hallway. Of course, you got the master bedroom on your right. As you come in is the luxurious master suite. It comes with a 17 by 18 room normally. Walking into the master bath, you have your single bowl vanity. Of course, they upgraded to a beautiful tiled shower. Comes with a standard niche and seat. And off of that, they designed a full-size walk-in closet. In the regular model, you actually have 2 closets side by side, so they revamped this a little bit to give them a little bit more room. Normally in our houses, they standardly come with 2 3/4 casing, but in this house, the homeowner was looking for more of the Craftsman look, so they went with the 1x4 old style Craftsman. We'll proceed into the laundry area. Got a full-size utility room. Got the place for a stackable washer and dryer that they requested. To the left in the hallway is your small powder room. We'll proceed to go upstairs. As we land upstairs, of course, you've got 2 bedrooms, one to the left, one to the right. The first bedroom over on will be the left-hand side of the house. Of course, has its own walk-in closet. Plenty spacious enough to have a bed. You could even have a sitting area with a chair if you prefer. We'll proceed on into the other bedroom. Again, this one, basically a mirror image of the other side. Full-size dormer walkout for natural light. Attic access like normal. In these houses, the Timberhill model, we have to put the staircase in the bedroom because of the layout of the truss system. This plan normally is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath house, which that's what they kept. This house comes with the master bedroom downstairs with the full 2 bedrooms upstairs, all 3 with walk-in closets. If you would like to learn more about the custom building process at America's Home Place, please go to americashomeplace.com. Also, like and subscribe.